A very rare good evening, everybody. And we're down at Weymouth Beach this evening, and we're going to hopefully, if the GoPro behaves itself, capture some nice photos for you. Apparently every week for the summer term, or the summer holidays I should say, they're going to do fireworks, and some are going to be loud and some are going to be the quiet variety. So let's see what we get into tonight. It's a beautiful beach, and I have filmed this area before. I'll put a link in the top corner so you can go back and watch that if you'd like to see this place in the daytime. Now, apparently the fireworks are going to be somewhere along this beachfront. They say pull up anywhere and you'll be able to see it, so hopefully we'll pick a good spot. So you may not be able to see it, but just over by here, behind the Helter Skelter, there's a bit of a fair there that's not ordinarily there. And also tonight there's more. You may be able to just make them out about there. There's also a bit of a fair down here that's not ordinarily there as well. And as usual, we've parked in a pavilion car park, because as I've said on previous occasions, this is one of the best car parks to come and park. And they do say this is the busiest car park when you come to see the fireworks, so I've rocked up an hour early. So as I've been walking down to the beach, a boat has just rocked up, almost the centre of the screen, and I believe that's where they launch all the fireworks from. It looks like it's been a good turnout for the fireworks this week, and we're still 40 minutes early. So you can probably make out the sheer amount of people that turn up for this, so it's only a good thing for the town. And you can probably make out the fairs I was talking about earlier a bit better now. We're getting closer to the time now, just 8 minutes left. What did you press on there, right?
is telling you. Heartbreak so difficult to heal. Addicts know they're addicted. They know when they're shooting up. But heartbroken people do not. But you do now.
It's sometimes difficult to catch people's vibes, isn't it?
Right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come?
They're just doing it once a week, every week for the summer holidays, for when the kids are off school. To be fair, there's massive crowds. It's a good idea.
I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that, I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the lights aren't gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So far, so
Well, is that it this time? I believe so.
So
So there we go guys, that was the fireworks at Weymouth. Thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you guys on the next one when it's a bit lighter. Bye bye for now.